What happened, guys? It looked like you went through like a whole flock of birds.
Yeah, I have these fucking trees outside my house and like the birds.
Holy shit.
Yeah, that.
Can I get this?
Probably like a couple weeks worth.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, West Side. West Side got me feeling like a cholo. East LA got me rocking with emotion. In the Bay Bitties, they be looking really fine. Riding with the homies, never solo. Cruising in the summertime down the 405. Palm trees, not a cloud to ever be found. In the city, everybody trying to make it. Gotta understand that it takes a little patience.
Welcome to another video. Today we are gonna go get a car wash. Ooh, it's bright outside. So there's Khiap right there. Oh. I got work in 3 hours, and we're gonna go get a car wash because I'm going to the meet tomorrow. I don't know if Khiap's going. How's it going, bro?
What's up?
What are you doing tomorrow?
I got work in a banquet.
Oh yeah. Damn. What time?
I work 10 till 4, and I got a banquet 5 till like 10.
Damn, you busy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You wanna go to Walgreens to buy some fiber towel?
I got some.
Well, I'm looking for a different one though. It's like this really good one.
Sure.
All right, man. So, starting at the Miata. Huh? Walgreens? No, Walmart. My bad. Walmart, yeah.
Shocked me.
Yeah, we can go there if you want.
Yes, it's close, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's there. You know what I'm
Alright.
talking about, right?
Huh?
You know what I'm talking about, right? The Fire Lake? No,
Yeah.
the one by Fire Lake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know what you're talking
I'll
about.
meet you there.
Meet me there? Alright, I'll meet you there then. It's a race. Alright, well, give me a second. He's gonna win because I gotta mount the camera. Alright, guys. Khiap got a head start on me. Fucking bitch. Sorry. Didn't mean to. Don't worry, guys. Not a cold start. Not really in a rush. Okay, maybe I am in a rush a little bit. Another house. So last night I heard there was like a bunch of cops over in my neighborhoods. I don't know why, but it was blocking like Brunswick Parkway and all that. So by the time you're watching this right now, I'm uploading 2 videos already. It's gonna be when I'm going up to the farm, meeting Ryan's Galaxy and all that. So you're gonna be seeing that before you see some of my videos. Well, Khiap's up front right now. Unfortunately, I didn't sign up my car to have it register on there. It's not really fully complete. But now that I think about it, I should have had it, you know, registered just because I want people to see my progress on the Miata and see how it's, you know, day 1 start and how it's really going to progress. But I mean, you guys are going to see what it's going to be like later on in the future. But yeah, I'm really excited. Tomorrow's meet is going to be really. It's going to be a really big one, and my friend is actually going with me. The one with the Mustang. I don't know if I ever feature his Mustang onto the YouTube channel yet, but his name is Kris, and I'm going with Joe. He has a Charger. Kris has a Mustang GT. That thing is really nice. We've done a lot of work to it, and you can check his channel out if you want. He's going to be starting a YouTube channel also. So you guys want to look, if you guys love Mustang, things like that, or if you like a Charger, Joe is actually making a YouTube channel also. If you guys want to check it out, it's going to be in the link below. But other than that, we're all starting fresh here. We're all starting fresh. Today is actually really nice. Yesterday was kind of like dark and gloomy. It was really sad. It was really cold also yesterday, and actually now it's really hot. And I like it. It's a good weather, you know, to wash the car. I don't know what tomorrow's gonna be like. I think it's hopefully sunny tomorrow. I don't know. So excited, guys. I can't wait to turbo this car. I know it's gonna drive a heck of a lot different. A heck of a lot. I don't know if that's a word. A heck of a lot. Something like that. Well, it's gonna drive so different, and it's gonna be. I don't know how much speed I'm gonna gain off that turbo. But hopefully a lot. I'm not trying to push the engine too much. We'll have to see. Alright guys, so we just got out of Walmart right now and I got what I needed. Kid got some shiner for his lovely seat. So we're gonna go down to the car wash now.
Let me tell you why I love her. Cause she's west side to the day that she dies. She might be from the soda, but her fashion can't lie. Every summertime telling her I love her. All year long I be grabbing on her thighs.
That's right.
Lady in the streets, but a freak in the sheets. Call me Willy Wonka when I'm all up in her sweets. Sweet like candy, rock star life. I'm the highlight to your daylight,
You know
and
what
your
it is.
nightlife. Backstage with your homegirls, get ready to ditch them and do it, cause I just wanna hear you. No stage, no scrimmage, just like Nike, let's just do it.
baby.
Birthdays were the worst days, now we sipping champagne every birthday when we thirsty. I don't wanna be a player no more. 1, 4, 3 more than a 4-letter word. You look so good, the way you dress is fire. The things you do, every time you see me live. You belong to me. This goes for sex all night. It's you, I Now let me hear y'all say
West side till the day we die. We are West side till the day we die. You know, sex on the beach, Santa Monica feel. You know, wanna hear you moan all night. Wanna hear you moan all night.
Santa Monica vibe, can you feel it in the air? Cause I feel it in the air like Phil Collins. I just got done working at the
Huh? Yeah, it smells like fart. Smells bad. Oh, you got 30 seconds, bro.
home, beat it up and hear you all night moaning. Damn, yo, booty got me dumb. Every time I look at it, got me wanting some. When I'm scrolling through my phone, there ain't no other girl that I'd rather even call. Cause you got that skinny skirt on. Show me what you got, send it to my iPhone. You wouldn't care if I didn't make $1. You wouldn't even care if I didn't make $1 million. That's when I know I gotta keep her. Call it what you want, but I'm never gonna leave her. The way I'm doing her, she doing me. Can't no other girl quite do it like she. You look so good. The way you dress is fire. The things you do, every time you see me live. You belong to me. This goes for sex all night. It's you I see. Let me hear you moan. Nah, girl, let me hear you moan. Nah, girl, let me hear you moan.
All night, baby.
Nah, all night, all night. Wanna hear you all night. I don't even care if the neighbors hear us.
No.
Let me hear you all night. Touching and rubbing and kissing on my neck, that's the way I like it. Yeah, baby girl, you're the only girl that I've always really wanted. Don't walk away from my life. Love the sound every night when I hear you moaning. You look so good. The way you dress is fire. Love the things you do, for sex all night. It's you I see. Let me hear you moan.
Let's do it, baby.
Nah, girl, let me.
We're done spraying. Now Khiap is just drying off his car. Dude, this dude is loaded with like towels. Huh? You're loaded with towels, man.
Oh
Yeah, it sucks to live around here because the train's always down here. So Khiap's drying it off before we pull it outside because it's gonna like have water and marks and everything like that.
yeah. My car's black as fuck.
This shit's like dirt everywhere. Dog shit or is it what? Bird shit? Damn, they went through hell with that car. What happened, guys? It looked like you went through like a whole flock of birds.
Yeah, I have these fucking trees outside my house and like the birds.
Holy shit.
Yeah,
Like get this?
probably like a couple weeks worth.
Really?
Yeah.
It's everywhere. Well, I mean, better than ever. Holy shit. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. Done? Huh? You done? Outside really quick and then just try everything on.
What up?
How's it going, bro?
Are you surprised?
Hell yeah. What you doing here?
I was just going garbage. I
Really?
saw the car, I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, dude.
What are you doing?
Huh? Yeah.
Oh.
Just vlogging. Yeah, that's a nice Mustang. That's a good looking Mustang.
Yeah, let your fans know, bro.
Huh? Damn.
No. Let them know.
This guy got a tattoo. Favorite team, right?
Huh? Yeah.
Favorite team?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Dude, what are you guys doing?
Well, he's just washing his car. I'm
Phone, leaving me the messages with X's and O's. Hold up, leave a message at the tone. I ain't got no time to be dealing with the hoes. I separate the fake from the truth. My mama taught me well, how about you? I keep a W with me at all times. Bumping that Tupac and homie Biggie Smalls. Shout out to the ones that fucking did it. Big pun, I know you looking down all up on this. Call it what you want, I'ma call it what it is. You know how it go, I got my old thing back in this bitch. I got that old thing, I got that old thing.
You gotta get yourself one of these fiberglass things. Really, it works really well.
I've been missing you. I've been missing you. I got that old thing. I got that old thing. I got that old thing back. I've been missing you. I've been missing you. One time, baby, let's put it a cappella. Ella, bitches back then didn't want me like but now they look at me like Michael Jackson's Thriller. You know what I mean?
Well, yeah. So I'm done with that. All right. So clean the glass and everything already. Now it's just me adding up. I'm so lucky I landed on it. I was like,
Oh, want me to think?
yeah. The Campbell flag. Sometimes you just gotta represent where you're from, you know? I guess that's the first sticker on the car. Alright guys, so I'm just finishing up. I think I'm about to head home now, just because I'm working like an hour. And I need to eat, I haven't eaten anything. Everything's all clean. Got everything all waxed up, the glass all clean, everything like that. So we're good. Okay, is it cool if I leave ahead?
You're going.
Alright bro.
That's it, man. I'm gonna work.
Yeah, I will. Have fun at the banquet, man. I think today is probably the last day I'll see you until school start. Damn. Not looking forward to it. Charger with the spoiler. Good of you, right? Yeah, I mean, I guess people have their own personal preference, you know. But really, come on, dude.
That's what they calling your boy. Neighbors bugging us cause we making all that noise. Man make the money, money never make the man. I try to tell these dudes but they wouldn't understand. Check it, I be making that moolah. Met a couple hotties, I call them my mommy chulas. Now I'm on the radio, your boyfriend all jealous cause I be making that moolah. Love it when they call me Big Papa, the show stop, you know I gotcha. I won't smoke any blunts unless they we're just trying to get high.
I'm just trying to get to know ya. I can tell you're new to California. Let me show you how we do things. We keep it going through the weekdays.